Hello folks, I've been getting quite a few calls on how to prepare for XAT with 2 iron. And so we have a very nice course for XAT which has pretty much everything that we offer in CAT. So it has quantitative ability, verbal ability, LRDI, XAT marks, the whole shebang, practice questions. The compelling feature, we do tons of business decision making classes. So that's a super important part, super crucial part. There are a bunch of our BDM videos inside on our YouTube channel. Please check that out because it's beautiful. Some of the content they test is rather nice. Initially I was rather anti-business decision making. I grew to have a kind of taste for it. So we've built a very nice course for business decision making. You must check it out. The XAT course is wonderful and it's priced at a very reasonable level. Please do check it out. Reach out to us in case you have any queries. For where can you find it, how do you access it, where do you see the trial content, all of that, check out the description of this video. Best wishes.